Hello guys, please share the video. Now share this video. More talk. Please share the video. Share the video, guys. Please share the video as you come in. Share the video as you come in. Share the video. You don't get much time for Western today. Some more time. One day go can live. Some more time my mother go can live. Now share the video as now coming. Share the video, please. Please share the video. Share as you come in. Share the video, please, please. Now share the video more start. Hello guys, welcome to my Facebook live. Welcome guys. Please share the video as you come in. Share the video as you come in. When I share the video as now coming. Now share because today's now just share the video, I beg. Now then they wanna share this video because and them welcome on. Welcome one them. When I share the video because today so we really need for talk. It only become too much. Bridge Meta don't cause enough havoc already for the community. Yes, if I say more the split down for you the way we're supposed to be, we no romance, not chewing of what. More the split down for you, Bridget Meta. When I share the video, guys, when I tag somebody who knows somebody who's connected to the Perez, who's connected to the BI, who's connected to Bridget Meta. When I share this video. Yes, when I know as regular, eh? Yes, Emma, my baby, please share the video, baby. Share it out. Many should be waiting for me, but on YouTube. But we are here today. We are here on Facebook. Una know as e dey, yes, we get toner skincare. I don't see a lot of reviews. There plenty people don't come for my inbox way. I actually tell them me they do a before and after photo, send them for me. Yes, Mimi Bright, welcome in the building. Yes, we they do a before and after lesson and for me, our toner skincare. This one is my own package of toner skincare. Now see, not faking. I don't use toner skincare. When I see the review for my skin, when I see my skin, hide the bill, when I see the texture of my skin, when I see my back, yeah, when I see my neck. I say I not move my clothes for say when I will see them. I turn at this, you don't correct. Even this pathway Brab used to make them, it be different from my skin colors there. With toner skincare, it don't correct and all for me. Thank you, Mommy Pamela. So this is toner skincare. And if you see the review of toner skincare, I see the way the texture way they give my skin. So that's toner skincare for you. And a genuine review that like how I tell una for my face. I don't always get any person who know me for here personally will know say my face don't always be a major challenge for my life, major challenge for my skin. So with toner skincare, now the face cream this, I don't use them the way toner skincare they prescribe them. I already did do one that's for my skin. If you see the container, yes. So this is 1 week review. It already dry the pimples and clear the spot them. So we see there, toner skincare they take it time for fix your skin, not be jansa. So now why that way any hairy. Toner skincare they take it time for fix your skin. So for genuine review, I feel giving them my people, I don't already see improvement. I be confident about my skin. When I see my hand, no knuckles. Now I wait to a toner skincare do one for me. It's just the blend my skin, give me that unique complexion. So with toner skincare, my people, I'd be so confident about my skin. I can dress anywhere. Yes, I say man not be perere say let's do any some I try for reach come and hail some everywhere. Yes, Tracy Bear. Oh, Tracy Bear, sorry. Banga Bakundu, you're welcome. Thank you. Yeah, so my people, I know if you do live on my YouTube because some technical work to go on for my YouTube to try for fix one or two things then for wait to I don't explain that for now before and they give me some few days so they try for fix them. So for say my get way to way I want get them for my channel. I need to avoid the channel. But that notwithstanding, I'm saying I'm not stay without talking because it don't become too much. Yes, I thank the people the way when I don't send una orders and for toner skincare, assist of videos and today some people they send me that review. Oh, just 2 days order their toner skincare, they already received their toner skincare. Yeah, we do fast shipping. That's one thing with toner skincare. We need delay. We give our customers a priority. As you just text me for toner skincare, we'll just consult with you and you get your product so fast. Yes. Emma says soft some can I tell you my baby na toner skincare when I soon I get skin. Toner skincare. Just a week review. Na see no faking. Na so my skin be there. Na talk na true. Na so my skin be there. Even the line where Bri used to cause a person why I used to get that. If I don't notice from my old video that I used to get that. It be different from my skin color. Toner skincare don't blend them. We now say it give me a unique color. If you wear handless dress or all that kind of stuff and still look good and okay, I'm confident about my skin. So yes, my people. Thank you, Banga Banga. Look at take my gun. Can't take my gun. I don't get joy today. I don't get joy. I don't get joy. Yes, una share the video, my people. Una help me share the video because we need to talk sharply before my mother, the CEO, Grand Dive, you go come live. You get a show few hours from now. So anybody a day a few hours from now go join Travel with Grand Dive. Yes, that's the CEO of Travel with Grand Dive, Dive Sheila. Dive Sheila. He go get a show some few hours from now. But I say I don't feel it. I'm my people, you know, when I just see me for the answer for the very last time when I go carry when I go travel along when I get to another area. When I know me I be not picking, I go again far north. I go again far north. So yes, my people. You don't need too much. We don't see something there for media way. We don't know the thing and they get out of hand. So the life for somebody announce something there before they get out of hand because the thing they don't see for media now will not be understand where did it happen or actually now that cleaning of community or not just that fact some people they want find money for YouTube or it only going on a hidden agenda that people they don't get their scores the way they want settle they want use this issues for settler. We not the understand again. They mean they don't turn the way we understand way. We don't know decide to them no. More just do anyhow. They may do anyhow so that at least if they want the cash for something or they want the detain for something, yes, maybe say we do something. Maybe say we do some crime because you now understand what did it happen again. But they talk for media. Who never cost pass for media for that period? No, they don't cost pass. But who don't cost reach you for media? Who don't cause havoc? Who don't betray friends them? Who don't cause division for home the way? If the people they are panel they don't stand strong, they don't scatter. Who don't betray their friend? Who don't bring out secret for media reach you, Bridget Meta? Who don't do and reach you? Who don't do and reach you? Who don't attack your pikin? Who don't hold your family there for Camaro? Who don't go hold for your sin? We can't for you, we can't caution you. We can't address na you. We can't even na thing they do. We can't move out na your evil the way they do and for media. Mami Fanny do na weti. Mami Fanny do na weti. Mami Fanny do na weti. I can't today for media and for can't caution na because I want them on send that police then for we. I want them on send na for we more na get a reason for send we police. Yes na me guy the talk. I want them on get reason for send we police. Dorothy Agbo. You and your team there. I want them on get reason for send we police. Mona leave Mami Fanny alone. Mami Fanny no know how the way they happen for media oh Grand Dive decide to do na how it life for media or decide to do na how one tongue na wait one do na wait. Mami Fanny no get anything for do media. Una address we since I don't send 1 million so now find me for camera. Wait till they happen. Wait till they happen. Now find we so that more get reason. More get reason at least. There is a case say the girl don't talk about you for media before we even go judge the case of media. What did Mami Fanny do now? What did Mami Fanny do now? Dorothy Agbo, Mami Fanny be there for that way be the cat dog the slipper. That way be the cat dog the chow and Jemme inside you. Mami Fanny be there for there. Now today 1 year say you the sleep dog. Dorothy Agbo. Now today 1 year. Now for Grand Dive mob be the first person 1 year say the sleep dog. When they work at the church for other channel them. When they work at insult people, they work at cause confusion them. Work at the talk lies about other women them. Talk terrible thing about women them. Now you all hurt you pass because you know so you do the most terrible sin. Yes. I like as you hurt you because you say you know so no sleep with dog not be normal person to do am. Now why they over hurt you? Now when they do the highest con on the blackmail people, they talk a lot of lies for people they are named there for media. Yeah, on the not even talk na lie oh. Now they want to vex me for their own. They don't even talk na lie. They tell you where to where do where your friend they don't use and the caution since Okoyo. Since Okoyo, your friend they don't all your friend they wanna come Okoyo. They don't use and cost you. They don't use and cost you. You never ever go arrest them. Now Grand Dive on a rosu na unko because don't go carry a quarantine the way all their laws they don't have outside for Dubai. Don't go carry don't do na small strength that they insult people for the media. It don't get na so. Me man no one for that media because anyhow it happen no. Anyhow it happen it go drop before any level. We mean at the street level. It go be for any level. Man no one na so. I also when they go out somebody go call that mommy where be used to send. Go call that mommy. Don't say about send ya police there for people that they call your name. Send your police or people that they call your name. Send them. You know, say their punishment be enough. See your skin. Stress man don't chop out so they funga they don't act for their skin though. wepe, you don't chakara, all that infection the way they for dog, so all that, how they used to call that thing again for biology, all that infection the way they for dog, they don't chow inside your skin. See your skin. That's all strength man don't chop am for food. Strength man pose fungi. When I share the video, make me top here. I want me send that police. May he send that police now for real. Me they leave my Mommy Fanny alone. I want to give you reason. Cut the part when me a caution. I get to caution all man today for the video. Cause the part send for that police them. Police are supposed to find a way. Now we can't address now for media. Now we can't talk una evil them. Now we can't expose una. Una leave mommy there to be out of this. Una leave mommy there to be out of this. If no, all we go visit people that mommy oh. All we go visit people that mommy as a big town and me a de ganze oh. All we go visit people that mommy. Wait till then in house mommy do that. They had the great grant they give mommy Fanita where they grow up, it not be enough. It not be enough. Una leave mommy Fanny alone. Una leave mommy Fanny alone. Una attack we. Una attack we. Useless, frustrated mommy them. Una never want me to bring out na evil them because I want live now only for that evil. Una use that evil that cause havoc. You carry another man picking go give for another man. No, it don't end for there. Oh, plenty woman they don't get another man picking. They put me down and say that picking the sleep with his own sister. You know what me then talk her out. You know what me they talk her because you want me they begin to continue to commit atrocity. Atrocities them inside the community. Man go to sleep here and sister, but based on the fact you want keep massa, you dey hide them. You know we talk the truth. Say do one this on your sister, do one this on your brother. When a lawyer can't bring her out there, so for say me they begin their life be sane, me their life them be safe. You want carry police them. For say you want carry keep treating people there. You want treating who? You want treating who? The what agbo? You want treating who? Oh mommy like you be so support don't be retirement for to marry. But because I say that curse the way carry for dog that infection the way carry for dog that evil spirit, that dog spirit. You there for your skin. You know leave your friend and me the rest. You know leave your friend and me they enjoy your own home. They be ever can call your name for me to say you sleep with dog. No me now you go find Sister Gladys. No me now you go stand in Sister Gladys say he married as a second wife. Where you not say sleep with the dog. You want can use the auntie why una match man? How una ever talk say una use una fool you the hot person. Then you want choose the way the person get to hurt you back. You want choose the kind of culture the person get to curse you back. Na lie you. As you curse person, you know choose the way you get to curse you back. As you curse person, you hurt you know the choose the way you get to curse you back. You become begin to curse you about Dr. Fred. Say the follow Dr. Fred or he married Dr. Fred a second wife. You know the choose the way you get to curse you back. You curse you not say get to curse you get to hurt you and say you sleep with dog and not true. You know the first man for talk am. Yes, who carry and cover channel. Can't we can cover a channel can analyze them. You want go ahead ask it. You didn't have to disgrace yourself the more because if you didn't think that we will talk it for a channel, you know go say me go attend me. Me I not ever bring her for my channel. Anytime my mommy talk of a channel, anytime vlog of a channel, I leave and say don't vlog of a channel. As you carry and say you want work I say no, you want the attack, but that's not go help the disgrace. Even as small pikin the body one day, oh, you know not say sleep or dog. I go tap that pikin who copy for bed so. This is Dorothy Agbo. It's sleep or dog. Oh mama, yes, sleep or dog. Yeah, generation to generation, 4th, 5th, yeah. Even your grand picking them, they go more years say you sleep or dog. They go yeah now for media. Oh. Yes, as you say, you want show we say now you sleep or dog pass. Now you know how to do bad in the past. We go show you do what it means to say we can help disgrace you. You don't get shame because if you open your toto, dog enter where your skin so that discharge today. Yes, Madam Bingo, dog enter where your skin so that discharge today. One show we say no get no shame no. We go show you to say if you have for disgrace you the more. As any became a bunny one day, I got tappy for rock. I said, no, the rock about. You know that use them a minute for you can funga don't chop all his skin so it's sleepy and dog. Oh mama, yeah, for the one I say you sleep or dog. One guy die. Who be send you? Not be no langa money. When I wear ya perere they do for the Dubai. Langa money. Mukana perere for that Dubai. Remain I say, me they bring doctor for them. It remain I say me they bring doctor for them. Una one can judge woman where it humble itself. African men are polygamous. Polygamy be accepted by God. African men are polygamous.
as his second wife. What's the evil there? What's the evil? Social media, I want to hear. Social media, man, let me hear it here. Where to be evil for say man married another woman legally as his second wife? Where to be evil? How many of una for here? Una the follow married man. How many of una don't wish semi married man even put una for house? May they even get the name say you don't marry. Talk more of Dr. Freddy on where even love the glass this journal on top. Una didn't even find one the way they will put una for house. Just for that name say una even married. Una want can hear na today. Una want see na today say second wife that it exists. Una not see Kobos. Kobos cook all kinds of things for Ghana man. For China. Cook all plus intestine, do all kinds of things. Wear jumpsuit, wear the one, wear hot pants, do all kinds of things. Girl for Ghana man, all left, right. Ghana man not be being a married man. When I say more talk about people that they follow married man, we go talk about today. That Ghana man, he not been a married man, una Kobos for here, and he team the young Perez or Dubai. Me they can't answer we. Ghana man, we Kobo ask for us. Why you either stay for inside one room shrine for China? You know be a married man. That man will be the give front back left helter skelter. Cook all can chop, wear all can jump, wear all can hot pan. All for semi Ghana man. Sorry one day. Put her for us as a woman. You know be a married man. I want year more year today. I want year today. That Ghana man. You know be a married man. Bridget Meta, you want me to DJ not get baby mama, he picking them. You know get them. You know be a married man. You know be a married man. When I stand up, when I rotting self down, I say today. See me, any man will get it. Where you know say be a picking girl respect, but just shift small for this show. You see I know hair. Today no na picking them for this show. Down there, Perez them. When I don't legalize the following of married men, the opening show for married men there. Where Gamalis are the girls, so they give up the leg, run scatter all he last there for Dubai. Benji not been a married man. Where he carry 5 more belly for Benji. Carry 5 more belly for Benji. Money not still there for move. I got Berry Max in a Boram for Pretty Nash. Where so today they get problem because of that money for that medicine. Still suffer on top that belly. Move am. Suffer again. Now see that Marimaya in the day. Now not see that traditional photo where he post them. That one wait there for them. They say the 426 so. That man wait there for corner. They say the 426. Now they Benji that. Not been at the Marimanda we are in the today. Not been at Benji. Una the follow una all Marimanda na all show free. Because the Marimanda needs to do una no nothing. Una do all kinds of things. Carry below 5 months go move stay nearly die. You still come out for the Mariman. Una one can criticize person where man legally married to man, they show you love. They sing Bolin. We never know, never hear Bolingo Zai. We never know so what they never show no love. That's why people are so depressed. We never just die because their sister Gladina only married as a second wife. She married to a dream man. He married man will love you. Man will show you love. We never down. I do now. Oh, show free. Oh, show free. I down on top. Still the man of him marry una. It is shwansha una fling am. Come and work all money for China, girl from Ghana, man, they still fling up. Even though me not to Juski, come and can save your life. Why you for dead today, Kobos? Why you for dead today? Where you come to that useless Perez them? You say be motivational speaker. Say now you teach get and this. You come to talk get and carry you gonna for that Benji house, marry my house. Carry you gonna for Benji house. My ass, where they carry like 5 months, the problem not say the man no. The problem say the man even value you. It even value you. 5 months, Bella. You carry a joy for outside, you nearly die, you smell a shit. The person who move the belly for you, after they get talk, you smell a dead rat. It saved your life. Where today the user on top still caution. But still the very Benji. Now you die the work at the Benji, they still using the fuck at there. You been forget there for Marema. Now one can judge person where Marema marry look legally. The man marry legally. I did show you love. It is show you love when I thought which dirty for on a channel. Which can dirty when I talk about on a channel on a long content. Na long content on a work I begin sing for all the record am. Now I can sing for all the record am because on a marry man, even for even take una a second choice. You know the do am. You know be able for even look una as a second choice. You know be able. It just use na like a tissue. Use and throw. Man use you so they give you 5 months belly, you rotting like rat. You still come back for you now. The man that snap picture of that. Now that buy and cover down a car and go suck ice cream. How cover no do support you? How cover no do support you? Cobos, how far with my wife? Use my wife as a point of contact. How far with that video where you have to just make I say use my wife as a point of contact? My people matter on something. Tawa Cobos married to Juski. That Bobrisky like husband. That useless minded Bobrisky. What on Belle? I don't know how many weeks so you know Belle every day for that channel. Use my wife as a point of contact and you get pregnant. Stop hating on people. According to them, if you say that the people are Grandiver. According to them, because they used to call Grandiver say barren. According to them, if you say that the chow what a Grandiver, but they got the Grandiver shocked. They don't know say no. Now them is about even kind of tap that blessing of Grandiver. They don't know say Grandiver is far gone pregnant. She's far gone pregnant. Cobos carry that belly for Tujuski because they want Pepe Grandiver. They want to say no, they stay with man, they carry belly. They don't go, wait 25, no, they don't have a boy's quarter. They want to show say they be Pepe people there. They will show people, they say no, they can carry belly. They can put people on pressure every day to just make sure that, use my wife as a point of contact. Oh, they stop hating on people. Oh, stop dating on duty. Oh, did they use my wife as a point of contact? That way they see and Grandiver born Kasala boss. Kasala boss. Cobos carry belego flinger for limp for them. Mommy pastor, how far will use my wife as a point of contact? How far? When I want them to chop. Because when I want pepper people, when I want talk for the world, say Grandiver be barren. Now the belly I don't go choma for them, no. Now the belly I don't go choma for them. Yes, my people might reply something. They did fix my channel, so message joint asema. Cobos, you go here and hot today so for my hand. Here and today so hot to my hand. See snake mommy pastor. I need to go tonton. You don't confirm and for me say I need to give other news them without Dubai YouTubers. Because I see you have for go a course for Dubai that way you go Dubai Cobos. I see him. I see him. I can't see the message. Sorry, I think it took so long, so I can't see the verification this thing. So they should apply again and let me confirm here. I see Cobos havoc. I see him. When you talk because they know they avoid you. They know they avoid your peace. My people coming to when I see I said Cobos, they say no like peace. Now they troublesome girl. A very problematic girl because tell me got to the vlog about this girl. Even I want to be honest to me to an extent I be pity the combo because he used to act like say no get thick skin. It is I can cry for me that way no matter how I want tie your heart to an extent go and pity. But Cobos not like peace. Cobos not like peace. Tell me they make peace, family they make peace between you and Grandiver. They don't make 2 days. Baba go attack Mama Fakari for there. He go attack it. When a couple send her his sister. Now in this when I see her for me, I can't even only avoid couple. See he want flock about couple because he want PC accept where the family then talk. Yes, say even if they don't be their friend, but at least me and my stay for your own angle, me and my ignore your friend. Now couple that carry self go see that Perez them. They give news for them. They talk about Grandiver. They do you Congo they for back Grandiver. They fear you for talk about in there. You do that. Come on, don't confirm your mission for Dubai. You don't confirm and because that's where Agama Lisa be start. I want to see Agama Lisa they bring message of you and Senator. Conversation of Cobos and Senator. Then Cobos they can't stand it doesn't not get nothing to do with Agama Lisa the way it has to do with we have to do with Grandiver. What's your conversation between you and Senator the come out for Agama Lisa at the hand, Cobos? What's your conversation the come out? snake nature don't be too much. Your snake nature don't be too much. I got to watch you every day for my channel. You don't take over Bridget Metano. You don't take over Bridget Meta. Bridget Meta be used to there for front and there for background. Background motivator. Background chucking fire there. You don't move your center. I go watch you. Come on, how far with that belly? Mommy pastor the move belly. Mommy pastor the move belly. Oh, now over chop no day. I say your friend answer for limbe say yes, I don't marry, be na pass marry. If now who for talk I was so record you. If I you two know say that marry be na pass marry boys and pepper there you carry belly because of say you want show grand they say don't eat the my neighbor. You if you born. Is that the picking day? Now I don't fling, I don't wash and like gamma is I own. Gamma is the tissue remedy no. Let where gamma is a talk. Say if not been an answer way no can thing them. If you don't wash the rotten thing. You don't wash the rotten thing. Wash the rotten thing, the rotten bed, junior to just get out of your belly, flinger for inside big toilet. Continue with your show free life. Because the highest cheap get whatever see. And I said, use now corny. When I come with this in the middle, say the John people them. You want John people them, they get relationship, the John people them, they go move their water them. When some boy can see you say don't stay for Dubai. You don't say stay for Dubai, you never swine. You just can't find another hungry girl. You join your inside the gym when I be couples. The way no find that boy will let sleep that girl liver. Then Cobos and I'm away no you. Cobos? Cobos? No. Dorothy Agbo. Will not be dead that time will be the man for that dog eh? Will not be there. Will not go suffer your sin where you know will not be there. You shrine your dog, you carry your eat plenty STDs there for your skin, you still get mop for go cause your friend. When you know say get a lot of dirty leniencies, be careful how you insult people. Be careful. Be careful how you insult people. Like I don't talk am. From now onward, even if in a one day old picking, in fact it's a baby party. Now where my confirm something. I don't know how to do this. When I'm getting it, you are not sending the number. And we are not there again. Oh. One minute, my people. My people, I will try for one accept so this thing. Come as you on to. Yes, I don't done wait to be the doer. Come as you don't tire for your pretend. We don't say that you be the snake. You don't pass Bridget Metana, so Bridget Metana don't give this thing out for you. Yes, my people, now bear me weakness. Now see have a web couples cost for Dubai no. All us couples go for Dubai. Now in the Gi Congo, sir, get for Sierra, get for Germain, get for this side, cause confusion. I tell her say the Bridget composition no. Now snake. Now snake, I look even at Germain, I tell her no. Now dog get because says no wise the person when I cause the this thing for them. Why Sierra be so afraid? Why be so confident to go attack Germain for Kobo CDC? Why? Not be Germain say time when they be first start caution for Kobo's show. Kobo no be no. Kobo was not aware. When me a down for my show say Germain they ever do now 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 10-minute video them. Kobo say be friend. Germain say Kobo na friend. Germain is support Kobos. He promote Kobos. He do that. Then Kobo say she is not aware. It means say even that your old friend, you need to share your video. You need to watch your video. That your 3 minute, 10-minute video there. Kobo na watch them. Then you don't explain yourself for Kobos. Kobos understand say na Sierra define you palava. Na Sierra you go pipi for a channel. Then at the same that frog eye, one can see cobbles for your hotel. They tell you as well, cobbles, you and you not go fight, go chook you a knife. The venue go then for cobbles in your hotel. Jamais you door. You door, you can't ever say you door. Come on now, snake! And my way to do a couple, be very careful. Now, that kind of person, when every chook na head, the son, they smile, they say, I be the remedy to the problems. But I be the cause of the problem. You, couple, you have work to the society, be very bad one. And why that God punish you, because even when you may make all that thing for me, that say, give people the master, you never get master, you last go marry na Bobrisky. You last go marry na Bobrisky, and I say, he, and so the master, they say, he just 17 for full flop. Why don't I say no give you for your ass and I just profited that day for that meeting with the chole 15 for one time. There's a chole flop, God punish you upon all that your time skill ways a bit time for Ghana. What on Ghana for China? All that your hot bun, all that your lipstick, all that your human hair you use to wear them. All that your connection is to connect people they last go marry Bobrisky. You know if you're punishment God to give you. Bobrisky suffer man. Marry 25 no day. From back in no day. Marry can marry you na based on say you to find your own opportunity for travel out. Because if you say something I get, I don't know say it to be empty ass. All your money you ever get and money we take and go me una marry. Now enough punishment. Una say come on away. When I talk about karma. When I talk about karma. When I talk about karma, God don't give you the worst karma for your life. You see that your married so now karma, because you make other your mop. So you connect people them, connect friend them with another boy, turn for back, join the boy, mona the scam the friend, mona the scam the friend. You feel say God go leave you. Now your own karma. Then only talk about karma though. Now karma that is set you so right. You see to just skin now your karma for life. Hey, for better for worse, to dead worst part. To just skin now you are married to karma. You are married to karma because it don't retire you. You find way for fly go this side, one flag go and the one flag go. Now lie. To dead worst part. Till that you move all the belly. You move to just keep belly. Move do one. You are going nowhere. You see Tujuski, now you karma for life. Now you karma for your evil deed the way you don't do it for your friends. All that evil the way you do it for your friends. All that conspiration, all that thing the way you pass behind boy. You join your friend and another boy because of say you want to chop the game money. Why see yourself some get money? You just go find some useless gigolo boy. Useless gigolo boy. Because you know say the boy get what from up. You use the boy more than the chop their friend money. You use the boy man and the scam that friend money. If you say God will leave you, you are married to scammer. You will live with karma all your life. Because I know in your life. I know deeply in your heart you are ashamed of Tujuski. You will live with your karma for life. You never hear start move Beleo. You never hear start move Agama Liza the nutritional. Because Agama Liza an expert. If you tell me say don't move like 50. Agama Liza the tissue. You will stay with your karma till death do you bad. You never hear wrong, get wrong of outside. You can't go do your free. You are married to Tujuski. You are married to your Bobrisky like husband. Now your own karma, it serves you right. It serves you right. You go year for your upskin. You see that about it, you die there. You die there. We'll see how we go run the time. Snake. What can we preach a metal? What can we preach a metal? Your own day the cow preach a metal go move your own the outside. Your own day the cow preach a metal go move your own the outside. Useless set of women. Runaway mothers. My town are the team of people. Don't even be used to talk the thing say. Now off the other Wi-Fi. Don't even be used to tell on the thing say. Tawe Kobos with their channel. A grand investor vlog about Kobos. They expose Kobos. It tell una say wetin. Say Kobos no like for care for your pikin. Say since say Kobos born that pikin. Come on, never ever stay with that pikin and my people not true. Me say I confirm the thing, I do my observation. I know say their life for observe. Yes. Before the one put my mouth for something talk something I like for observe. Not true. It means I want analyze and I don't be there for support. They want to see Kobos to do with that pikin. It 24 hours. Come on, if they calculate how many time we run you that pikin, ya 5 minutes, then 2 minutes, then 2 seconds them. We see that ya pikin we brother. It not reach 24 hours. It not reach. That's why be tell me the thing as well. Even time where the Lydia kitchen, they always mop the dot place. They just carry some dot full stop. They feeding crazy. Give all to overdone. They just carry mop the dot put on there. But when they mop now, it cause the highest confusion. That Lydia's kitchen. So every time Lydia's kitchen want travel. Tell Lydia's kitchen want travel. When Kobo don't carry a pikin can't dump our Lydia's kitchen. Lydia's kitchen nearly miss the fly because Kobo si pikin. We be refusing a joke. Una say una analyze it in social media. Una say no motivational speaker. Na mami pastor. Una go know today say that get the already follow last so forget their picking there. All them association of runaway mothers. I give you an example. Kobos go China. He leave a picking for Cameroon for a friend. He leave a picking for Cameroon for a friend. He go for China. He go be for China how many years? Kobos come back for China. No spend up to how many weeks for Cameroon where he do he married. He do he married for Cameroon. Run, follow to just go Nigeria. Yeah, picky way don't spend how many years oh? How many years you never see? You don't stay now. What I picking couple get them oh? Couple the run responsibility now. Why they don't fling that one? They don't remove the rotten thing. So where that other one for him before they? Because you run responsibility. Couple a very very irresponsible girl. He come back. Follow to just go Nigeria. Go store to just go Nigeria. They go pick stay for that boys quarter. Now in that oh, celebrity oh, person I call public figure, I call this that. Tourist visa for go to buy now how much? Flight, 2 weeks flight, 2 weeks flight, 2 weeks visa. Not up to 70,000. 1 month visa, not up to 70,000. No matter tell her today put on, I don't know the price. 1 month visa for go Dubai is not up to 70,000. Give me 70,000. I give you 1 month visa for go Dubai. Not up to. Come on, nothing make for that. You want I picking where couple never ever spend time with that picking. Come on, nothing make for that picking. Nigeria for go Nigeria how much come on nothing carry that picking go. For some men she don't hear that own picking. When I tell her say na run away mothers, they wanna say maybe me I don't want to give them name. Now frog eye that you begin to stand away friend for boya. This stand away friend. It carry fake dollars them. First hand counterfeit dollars. The way this scammer that they use them for phone guest people they online. Can the show for YouTube channel they tell una say na money where he get for years. If picking that is suffer for them. Picking is suffer so they picking what was it they don't call the picking I ask them up because the picking look like say it do not concussion them. Picking be so loose for boy for they una talk una true we pick where who is friend. Not even family member, not even say na your mommy. We friend if you take care for your pikin like you. When if you truly even get that money, you can't come to trade that money. You know if make your pikin residence visa for stay for Dubai. It's around 1.5 million. Residence visa for 2 years. Then you pay your pikin school fees for Dubai. Pay his school fees. How rich people they do for your pikin. If you frog eye, the talk say get money. Why you not do it for your pikin? Why not do it for you? One eye picking. Why not do it? Why you not do it? It can be so loose for boya for day that the tutors are anyhow. You stay for day. The gear allowed for show free. The gear for this for day. You there for day. You don't know how your picking don't chop. You don't know how your friend don't get your picking chop. You don't know how your friend don't wash your picking. Well, who can call your picking exam more? You did vex. You don't know the situation, the way we will see the picking. You don't know that one cover boy and so kata don't reach your ear. You don't know that you see the picking should also lose even trust not there will see last away the rough finger. You don't know the condition where you see that you're picking. Why you not go shame for say me talk say no, I want to pepper Grand Diva. I want to pepper Queen Mother. I want to pepper Tyra. Let me carry my child and come to Dubai and put my child in school. Now they cannot pepper them now I want this year. I want to motivating pepper them. Now that kind of pepper them my life for this year. Carry your picking can't Dubai sponsor your picking for school me your picking there for your corner. So that when they coach your picking for me, they say, well, Queen Mother can't start with channel. They say they finger your picking. Take with Queen Mother say, Now my picking there on my corner. They never finger. Your picking be so loose for boy for day. They can't show him for scare where they want at the edge. They all they chakara the skin toto. You still stand for, you still get the courage. We all face you, the proud to get money. You the proud to get money. You the talk say one paper people there for media. Where you begin be so loose, just 1,000 transport. Why if you bring the picking for here? When I walk out there, when I say I may be advocate for the picking them. When I say I may be picking them for media. Now me I be the advocate for the picking and I may be talk the picking their mindset. Now me I be the voice of these children. I'm the voice of these children. Even I want dilute the thing, I'm the voice of these children. They're beginning of a suffer rejection. I want to say when I coach you now about the picking they say when I carry the picking they work out with them. Their queen mother say no, to when they talk about my picking, at least I'll be motivated. Say no, at least my coach make I take care for the picking. My coach make I take care for the picking. A gamma lizard. I be there when I say a gamma lizard abandoned in a full level picking. He abandoned for mommy how many years? Agamalis are not ever be proud. He never ever talk of some person say even born. Even born. Agamalis are not tell man say born. Now me make people they know for me say Agamalis are born. Agamalis are make noise. Oh make noise. If I be now go move the rotten thing. After he say wait here the take over the picky wait he said he did that. He said the Star Foundation. You know the cost people they again. You know they insult people they go for. But Bridget Meta fake subscription we ban for Agamaliza. Bridget Meta no one leave Agamaliza alert. Now in that Agamaliza that una the Agamaliza talk about foundation again. When I tell una something una believe me. Agamaliza don't abandon the picking and be the picking advocate. No matter how the picking come on, me I be tell una for yes and no. That picking don't come on because they choose and so that because Agamaliza he wear one there. Too much STDs was down there. It is scattered as clitoris not there. Any man enter. So when they enter, so they come out Agamaliza is not aware. So when they enter, so they chow whatever they go. Agamaliza is not aware that somebody was around. Too much STDs. Now I make an picking come out the way come out. Too much STDs. STDs. I'm not sure. I am not sure. Say that picking now God be deciding that picking. Cause I lie. It's too much STD. That picking can't down there. Too much. This is the knock that picking head. Knock nose, knock ear, knock head. It block all sides. Too much STDs. You carry abandon for your mommy. They say that will be work do your show feed them. Work check the food them. Your mommy be the help with the check. Your mommy that is suffer a bungee how many years with the picking for the. You never ever send 5 francs for that Dubai because the first do your own show free when I yes here I talk him. Frank I talk him. He said do your own, you get that money. No like the way they can't come for his shop, but way they go give their own and for free. They do their own local. Anything I got my lizard. When I be here, when I be bring Willie. When I be bring Willie for you, I don't convert me with the Willie. Willie be the tumaram. It be the tumaram. Now because I don't get so small response, Willie because they bang me some money bring on my channel for you. I will play him. But then when I be playing for that time, I be bring that proof. I will play an also for you. Willie tumaram. Now he draws. Now he own. Now he own. Now he live for day. Also free. No be your night on. It do your honor for free because as the beast not even there, they don't slice the clitoris mover. If it less than 50 man, they don't climb for they not even hear crash. Let's say it even feels on that. Say based on say the last two of water out in the motor. If they not climb so hard, sometimes we finish climb for them so much. I know yeah. He go for really neighbor. Me they mash am. Clitoris, let's get with that clitoris. Now people they don't know one car say, now one can put say committee. Now whether you are not covered, they correct. Because even if I look that couple, the way the firm make and the way the pass I'm up on this, now so I shower the mix now person say, oh market only a fair pass. It's okay bad luck. Because if you combine people and then you go marry na Bobrisky. Marama when I say you don't jump something. I say I'm gonna bring you get on asking will fix him. At least maybe resemble man. Namanda. Namanda na one is and pepper people. At least at Talabosco, anything better. Even though we know say a pier now, madam. At least a pier. He look somehow. He look somehow like a man. When I want to talk people, they want I suppose they call and say woman them. When I don't see to just give a day. Bridget Meta Canada is sarcoma sarcosis. When I saw this thing, they don't nyama. He said they produce oil. See your skin. Nyama. I saw funga, they don't tight for your skin. Funga, they get convocation for your skin. They don't tight for them. Why not use that? Put the bed, treat your face. You know, see, I don't ask they carry me as a brand ambassador. Their first project is to treat my face. Carry face now, so fungi they do convocation, they do conference on your face. Fungi, sarcoma sarcosis don't tight for your skin. You know if I go treat them for show the urgency, say they produce oil. You can't carry oil, say they sell them for media because you want to do competition. Yes, because no man of ever carry they are Pereres them. They are gonna the baby killer. No man of ever carry them, put them as a brand ambassador. It is sorry their life, it is sorry their ministry. You go carry concoction, they mix and together. Give and say they be brand ambassador. Useless Little London at your age, distributor. Little London, Congo, sir. At her age, oh, how many years of media? How many movie them? Where they ever end all between here and Congo, sir, partner them. Now Little London, be distributor, my people on hear news. Little London, Tin Tomato, I be distributor. Hey! Little London, they shame me. Yeah, shame so they shame me. You have support don't get a company them. If you support don't get brands them, just support. Now you be distributor for sarcoma sarcosis. The product. Distributor for sarcoma sarcosis. How can you call yourself the brand and CEO of a product? CEO, not even brand ambassador. Oh, even though maybe brand ambassador, not to use the product. CEO, but now so fungi them. They don't hold a conference for your face. Bridget Meta, you're not ashamed of yourself. Do you even know what you are producing? Do you even know what they call a product? Do you even know what you know what you are doing? You're disgracing yourself because you want to compete with people. First, they're a grater. If they use macabokoko grater and for this, so they'll use a cooking pan. You want can produce body cream. You want can produce CEO, then check CEOs out. Grinders, their CEO, all the companies the way Grinder they represent, check their CEO out. No be mouth. The product speak for itself. Check them out. Check their skin. Carry a sarcoma sarcosis. Bridget, your cases are too much. It don't plenty. I don't know. It don't be too much. You know the tire. You know the retire. Ma tell una my people. I don't know how una go reason it with me. See una see that Dr. Fred. I just give a respect for Dr. Fred and his family. Where I know I put these things away. Una see woman where something they happen with the only she don't quiet no matter una Ghana if I want tell una my mind. Una want see that woman, that sister Irene. Una want see so yeah Bridget Meta they get connection. I tell una my truth, that's my mind. Una want see yeah Bridget Meta they get connection. They get connection because no woman know there's something going to happen left, right on media. They call your master and they call your banya and they call this. They she don't quiet. Any woman where she don't quiet for a situation, they walk behind the scene. So when I check that woman fine. When I press the throat for me talk to. Yeah, and that sister Dorothy Agbo and with Bridget Meta will not check when see they get connection. When I see and say they get connection. That used to save them. When I don't show when I save the admin for free. When I can't start any man today when I corner do one. Today when I corner do one positive. Today when I corner do one this. So I Una door for una coach there, una come mama and carry a shower. Then after una say go do IVF, you know get long. A shower they do IVF. What to concern a shower concern IVF? A shower do it like to go. What to concern you concern belle? If you don't know the code that says my person enter belle don't enter, they go move am. A shower suppose carry belle go fling am. Le agama lizard. Now I confirm a shower. Now whether the day 5 months belle they go fling am. What to concern a shower concern belle? When una see the act, the deed of a shower, you know. You know. Person go call say my impact to carry belle go flinger. No me na shower be that. No be a shower be that. When you see the act, the spirit of a shower, the product of a shower, you don't know. You don't need town crier, you don't need Danny Green. You go know. You go know. Agama lizard Canada have planting like food them. When I say bang bang, when I talk on the time, I never see agama lizard too. I say agama lizard food and they he put a flat for inside, then I say food and they. I swear to God, and fact, anyone when no agama lizard Dubai na say day. Canada have bang bang food and stand so for day. You don't want to talk about posh cream something. You want to talk about posh cream, so you want to talk about that matter. Some of my people when I see that posh cream, and all of me there. Now one of the most strict man that I ever see in my life. A man strict too, and they like the woman, but it's very strict. When I talk about it, say Poshkin controller a mass and know me. Me that mass, I say that Fiera. Very strict man. Very strict man. I doesn't have Poshkin, it's not a Poshkin man. Very strict man. No year I see him. Very strict man. He love the woman to hell. But he's very strict. Now that man will go sell. Then I want to call and say small boy. Now that man will go sell. I really call and say small boy. Oh, see, I'm social media now. Social media really get power. Even if I see the man when I say talk about it, the man when I pass on a mop about it, I don't talk on a nonsense. Yes, we call the man moving while and opportunity. Tarambo. And that man when I talk say. Say pushing the say pushing the control or pushing marriage. Now that man, Mukono na the one me asiamo. No na the man me asiam. They are just a perfect couples. Pushing na say they down to earth. Now that man mo pass on media. They down to earth to master. He love the master, do everything to a master. What a man, master love you and is the head of the house. When say pim Poshkin here and I say this. When I say my town has something way happen, that when me I see Poshkin, who be actually meet up with another lady, where the lady be there for India and he become for Limbe. He be based on Limbe, just be for Limbe. This lady never ever see Poshkin on the scene. All of media they see for the preacher meta they are know say he know somebody we know Poshkin. So when all will be meet up the very first of meet up Poshkin, I think so I be do a video that day for Facebook. The girl say, "Don't we see Poshkin?" He say, "Wait oh." He say, "Poshkin, why you look older for video? Then you look very very young in physical." Then I me I shout my own and say thank you, Auntie. I think that me talk about ask because when watch it for video now, he look big, he look adult, he look like very big woman, a very small girl. Now small girl I feel the dance out the shake boot where I see in physical. I feel the dance out the shake my boot on the cover, very small woman. Then I heard me tell the girl say thank you. Now just I don't keep fear now I have the accent because no. I don't look the posh quiz that the only look that footway which I met say it then a 1.5. And the posh quiz say sorry yo since me a card only look na that food that find that part which I met say yeah I want to titana there's one which I met they say they 1.5. I look the foot that they say there's one part for posh queen is when me admire my legs, sexy legs, sexy. I mean bulky kind of bulky say. Una see now some short clip video when me a be uploader. Una see posh queen picking, but una see that food we do that. Una so posh queen food and that picking carrying na mommy all from head to toe. Not just one perfect good couple the way the woman just be humble for a master. The master love you. Una leave that palaver say any man way attach your gun because now the thing una don't take an answer no. And witchcraft them, overtake the way they don't can attack my mommy Fanny way. Grant the effect of men, mommy Fanny for your age way. My man just to she don't also job keep your life. They still carry issue them mean they come ki own mommy Fanny. No worry. Oh, una da auntie them. Why be still give una respect? Any man when go touch like, I say like for Bridget Meta, he post. Thank God Sabino una like them. I know them no respect now so. I know them no respect. Una want respect no. Since una want show Bridget Meta so una like una go advise you. Una go advise you because if not, now somebody Facebook anyway just like for Bridget Meta. I know you, I know your story. I start vlogging for my channel. I don't care who even know you too. I don't care whether granddad they even know you or they don't know you. I dey vlog you for free. No, me no. Me I don't get me time. I don't get me time. I best on all of YouTube. Even on the Facebook for I want blog. I know they know all find the view or the find the money for the YouTube. I know they'll find only that one. Only like for day. I show you Pepe. Bridget Meta go treat your face. Come my people. I don't over talk. Yes, my people, so na there and let's see you now. And let's see you now, let's see the comment there. And let's see the comment there. I know say Facebook ever they say get a CB for the comment for Facebook. Facebook gets on you. Method now so for comment where they ever stress all man. Where they make a plenty put in a like for comment for Facebook. So me down I want show we say wait. Dorothy Agbo. Na me. Kaya una share this thing. Na me I cost you. Na me I cost you. You sleep with a dog. You sleep with a dog. Send that police them. They can't find me too. A parent never tell you say where me are. I can't find we. Now where my people? They come for the next topic. I can't find we. Do Pepe then work at the expose una life there. Expose una for cheated life the way nothing no day. When I get Carabao house for Kumba where they can't fall frog eye. You go carry una neighbor house post and say I ask you build that. Hey! Hey! Frog eye! Hey! Then I video my mommy Fanny ask one for una no. Una don't play her no. Una don't see us no. Una don't see us no. Full of lies. Una say mommy Fanny cries out there Jackie Kaba. Inside there for the video, one are not sure for the video. One would ever talk on our own, they would talk away proof. Would show na evidence, show the this thing. When I see my Fanny, I will say go be na one Carabao I said the car for. Level from either own day. Where they will carry that this thing, the neighbor that own computer for this thing. That's sure for media. You be not forget to bring them. You be not forget to bring them. I don't tell you last time for my video say go pay Abina money, go pay that money for Kumba for them. You cry, you shout for me that say get money no. You the all bees for Abina. That body money owner don't tell by the people that keeping you una go all you. Maybe on a brother money, from you own a brother money. How many years we go to buy? We go land beef for it. Una go only me pay am. Una go only. Now go all Bridget. I pay the money. No, Bridget. Try for verify something for my people. Now pardon me, oh. Are you guys there? Hello.
Who is there with me? I wait my verify something. I may go pay the body my money. May go pay the money before you can keep passing more for media for here. I see preacher Meta. He be trying to talk something for big boutique. He dey catch big boutique. Say big boutique no be woman. Say big boutique. I say preacher Meta. You where you stay now you and man picking. You where you marry a man. You where you stay now when man where the M where mommy the practice. Make you the belly no more na born picking more those you stay now you and man because as long as you never born for that you stay now you and woman. You stand now, you're a woman, and I went and you control and you do all things. You stand now, you're a woman, and I am master be woman. Now be woman. When I sit down and go, what's the way there for your would they call it a Marvin? Make sure I used to call in and say, I'm Bororo man. Come on, let's Bororo man. I'm a class. When I see the rib of Brisky. When I see the read, they really Sheriko call my mother talk. Now let me Sheriko Kodak. When I need another Sheriko. Now let me Sheriko Kodak. He find an opportunity for send me the Pereira. Then sorry, you may can't join them to buy me the continue the Schweining. Yes, he find an opportunity. Mr. Tishi, they can't go for roller. So that Arab man they go the Schwein for the show for the. Who can Arab man that I walk? Now when they for them to support them every day. You don't just come for me tell Bororo man that's so the shabby. He mob there and said that they be fairly kid do and have the chowen and jemmed inside that mob. And that looks so shabby. That's all white. That's all now. So the white get but they don't come up with it. And my class, I took the dress and I said that thing go. And a swine. Marvin Nation. I don't know Marvin Nation. They call that channel. As you say no. You want come me to the parents of Dubai the Schwade Shion and through this saga no. You don't work over this saga. Oh. You don't join the saga. Thank you. No problem. And I'm glad to I not be fair no if you want I not be fair over fair nothing. I'm glad say I'm really glad say you then a Cameroon. I'm glad to I hear my mother just tell you there for you. I'm glad say then a Cameroon. Welcome to the saga. Not pick your boss the run no. Not pick him. Welcome to the saga. We'll send you more customer there. Me they can chakarada yashio. We'll send her for you. Welcome to the saga. No run. You see this saga. Then he enter for there run. No leave, no transfer. Even the one they be the eye for back door. They send their neck. They don't come off outside. That's Sikobles. You know Sikobles. She could not hide again. She could not hide behind the scene again. She just had to show herself. Yes. So welcome to the saga. No run no. Now in my class and they do romance or you. No run. You are just welcome to the saga. You go receive the pepper soup for the final for the saga. They never hear address you for this saga. Who want to notice you and notice and also they never hear address you. No man never hear address you. You go pick a what they go chop. You go chop that pink man there. Yes, that hot sauce where you travel, make you go chop them for this saga. See this saga, so no. You go chop them. You go chop them because we go advertise you the more. We'll send you more customer then yes. But they go shwanda ya show. You know, see the people there for the color woman then. You know, see you people there for the color woman they bridge and better. You know, see people there. You see black handsome bally boy and I say gallant there for them. He look mannish now, so he strong there for them. Now you one can call and say woman. If people then they will want address and say woman, start with it to Juski. Yeah, the one for Yaounde. Because one person look to Juski lepe. And so I told them. They say if you win job blow, you go for. I don't want the way support the tell say they no be man. If you want to be fair with yourself. Now that one they support the tell say me they go chop flop. Now that one they get to tell them say let them be mannish. Now that one they get to tell them say that mommy they support the cry say they don't lost picking. Now that one them Now I see to this kid. Honey, pin the number. Honey. I don't want to own a waka. Oh, after I finish, I just carry on a face and hide and the bear when I come as they come and people if I want to tell the truth there. Come on, the regrets that he married 1 million times. He didn't regret them. He didn't regret them. He married based on paper. Now you are living with karma. You will live with it for the rest of your life. Now that kind of people they bridge a metal it's supposed to come keep there for me. I say, let them be managed. Let them look like a man. Now see, now see the people boutique gallant for down. My type. Now I suppose I used to tell you now black and hard. When you see big boutique, you see black and hard. Black and hard. No. Weapon. Yeah. Now big boutique, but that type I be describing for una that time when I call me say black and hard. Now big boutique, black and hard. When you see him, you see black and hard. Black and hard, gallant man. When I say that's big boutique. Now I don't so. When I tell you, when I want to see Sherry Kokona, I see get weapon man. I see that Mervyn Nation and Tujuski. Now the man then down on a video call and Sherry Coco. Yes, if possible, we now want add the list, we now add Mrs. Epie. People now want to support the call and say Sherry Coco. When I see big boutique, when I see black and hard, when I say gallant, my type of man. When I keep on a Sherry Coco, they for una corner them. When they try for do all miss me, they can't join una for roller. Me they shwan that I show them. When I can't call a big boutique say Sherry Coco. As on a no cause show, you not resemble. When you see big boutique, you see black and hard, you see real man. You know, don't dog the road and the sleep on for back bed. And dog them. Like when Dorota go marry, or be fit certified again, a dog. May dog the chowen jam ever ski. Now one can compare my beginning and call my handsome boy picking woman crush. See where banished princess crush on big boutique so they tire. He just decided we just start crush big boutique. Because he said no. He said no, say that's black and hard, that's real man. And the kind of man that way if he get a belly. How many years to marry for they did for straight with him? Bobrisky Masaraya and that Omasa too. That banished princess, that Omasa too. Who be woman no? Who be massa oh? Who be the he just get as he be sha. When I look at her on a master, when I compare her with that Magida man. How they call it? Frog eye carry na Magida Nigeria mara ne choflo Magida. I want them to say oh ya what to need Joe waka. Since they make fake dollars they put up for us. Frog eye tell na no. Say since how many months I'm on the fake dollars. We know they go even sell them for client them. Damn on the show pok Magida man I say stand straight. They don't stick the way they don't want man for banda. They don't want man for banda for use a nang dengue water. You own Magida man. Look at Gamma Lizard. That always they say the 426 that Benji. Mariman. When I saw his face full. You just they say na you and the Benji na bonda ya pikin o Gamma Lizard. They say na you and Benji na bonda pikin. That ya full pikin. You look that pikin fine. You look the Benji. Because the Benji you all they say the 426. Let's say na you na bonda pikin. Una look other una useless banished prince Europe o gringia for your master. Master na no recommend ale Bobrisky. Una look other una useless man picking them for lines on and look and finish. Na see Sherry Coco dem for dey. Una karanka attribute and for big boutique hard. Una crazy. Una crazy then so the funa. The funa. I be tell una about hot dog no. Hot dog. I give one. Why not I can't debunk am? Say big restaurant for that Mexico. How I be talk? If it pass him up now. Every day for my channel, if it come and then Queen Mother this, Queen Mother that. That will tell you say you be the sleep now for floor for Mexico. For Mohammed the restaurant. When I divan go pick
you for hotel wey go supply hot jama jama and hot pima. Let it shwan you before pick you put her for house. You don't get green card. After we don't catch sharp for media, say get green card. I said prove me wrong. So they can reach today. We don't see green card. We don't see green card. Hot dog don't post am. I be talk say they will go post green cards. Me Gaya go close my channel. When I see post am, no be the shasha say get green card. No be the tell when I say get restaurant for Mexico. I can't challenge you say they can show the restaurant for Mexico. When I see restaurant, when I see green card, lies, empty last get them, nothing on ground, nothing. If you not say no man ever know your own story for that media. Even I see that they don't talk about people because they have nothing to say. Nothing to say. Why not become debunk? Not be my name be the sweet for him up. Every day, Princess Tara this, Queen Mother that, Princess Tara this. Wait, how far? Agama Lisa, not be the say, get my fresh coach then. You be say, get my fresh coach them no. So every day we bring how far? How far? How far? Useless set of get them. Foundation for 2 days. Don't chop mama ataraku. The 600 dirham 100,000. So foundation. Nothing on ground get it. I mean mama can show on a waist trainer or go there with a waist trainer. We will continue more on my YouTube channel. We get some this is for the old fix. Yes, we get some quality waist trainer for here. Hope so na fit see and find these three, this thing them. Yes, later on my show them I will tell you more about this waist trainer. This waist trainer. So my blood is the best you need for slay, for cut down belly fat. Here for cut down belly fat. So this is what you can use. I get some limited. Supplies. Some people they already make their orders. They already take their orders for me. So I get some few left. I just say my advertise them for now on my channel. Any person where you need them, get to me inbox and we will talk about it. I just get few left. Yes, less people already take their own. So I just say I use this opportunity to show una this. We'll continue our show next time for my channel because I'll give you a few minutes because in 1 hour time my mother grand event will be live. Hello? Yes, ma'am. Should I put you live? Yes, ma'am. Still live. Should I put you live? Hello? Okay, I will. Yeah, so my people will get quality waist trainer. I will tell you more about this waist trainer for my YouTube channel. I will open the waist trainer. So if you need that, I don't see some comment for you. I read them. Okay. Yes, a person just messaged me. Yes, that's what I actually said. Hot box don't be eligible for the green card, but he never yet get the green card. For say hot box get green card for a hand and lie. That's what I said. Hot box never yet get the green card because all the people that will travel with them, they never yet get their own green card too. They just be eligible, but never yet get the green card. But hot dog, we make a lot of videos and the proud say get the green card there for us. And person not try he get green card because the Naira account is proof. He say he don't get no green card. She will have green card in time, but she doesn't have a green card now. You don't get green card now, so may stop lies. because na the same way like say for Mexico it became restaurant, but it not became restaurant. Na Mohammed, the Ghana boy, became restaurant where they can't sleep for the boy corner house. Then he now the hot dog. Is that cook na fufu and jama because of our one killing. The work at the supplier for people them. When I've never gone meet that divide for hotel, where device are shiny for hotel, marry woman, adultery. You know, became no restaurant for Mexico. I talk about the restaurant because he became lie for a child. They say became restaurant for Mexico, which is a lie. She don't have any restaurant. She had no restaurant. Now I thought they can prove me wrong. Say became restaurant. They may prove me wrong. Say it be already get green card. She will have green card, but not now. It already get green card. She can have it with time, but for now she does not have any green card. So yes, my people, now so the wear strain at the camp. So do a good quality. Really help for burn belly fat, strip your. It's the number that kind one the way to wear and after I start root up. Yes, so my people, I will tell you more about the West Trainer for my YouTube channel. So when I stay blessed, now see me. When I go Queen Mother, yes guys. So we always stay for third already say men of officer where work at chasing for the police will be fair. You go only work at cash to the last YouTuber. Lock her for the police station. Me they not talk about your dog sleeping. Yes, before you go stop it for talker. The more as you continue to provoke we. So you want to work at threatening people about the news where you know that so you talk. And that's why we'll continue to talk for our YouTube channel. We'll continue to talk because we want to work at give news them for that Pereres them. Me they cause people that when I visit they cause people that don't get blood for their own skin. For cause people that is sweet. But that way they can't use on their own thing then tell una the hot una. For talk people that on the sweet oh. That way una the work for Baghdad Pereres them. Dorothy Agbo. Una the give people that news. Una the give Sister Gladys their own news. Give other people their own news. Me they cause them. It is sweet oh. That way they can't talk your own when I'm not even lie not true. You ought to something go carry police. Who go talk as a you go carry all the YouTubers. Start today, oh. Come back and can carry me. Carry keeping it. Go carry the one they will do, but go carry the one they will carry all we go even for it. Go carry grants before we go stop for talk. Say no. We don't go lock you for inside before we know the talk say you sleep. Go show Teresi pa. Go show him. Go show you Reaper. Because no. Every day we go talk, ma talk like that, ma me like that, be at mommy there. We will cry. We will cry. They go and do IVF to have a children. Is that the right day? The right remember our be at mommy. They go and do a IVF to have a children. Those set of women. Those useless set of women, failed career women, failed combination of women. I don't tell anyone will be respect to you. Press like for Bridget Meta photo and pin for my channel. I don't care if Ghana they don't know you. I will just show you a photo, so just tap you. For plenty of una know now. I know now when me I know myself. I talk say, no like saga, don't enter into saga. Saga is not good because I say I enter. I then have a site where when I don't like them. I then have a come on. I don't like saga oh because I say I know them for scam where when I like them. No, I go give Bridget Meta news. I say like only like when I don't care the reputation way. I don't care the high extreme way my family look on. I say like for Bridget Meta I post. I bring me for my channel. Bring one for my channel. My people, I better not stay blessed them. Go stop the show for now while we wait for our mother Grand Ziver. We go join you very soon. Now, start toner skincare the fix on our princess. And soon I get it. When I see girl skin, it can only be toner skincare. It can only be toner. It can only be toner. This is what toner is doing to your girl skin. Can only be toner. Thank you so much. The people they don't trust me for send in reviews. Well, reviews there don't place others them.
Yes, I thank una so much. So now continue for the send it. Now others, it can only be turned now. Now see una get skin. Ash, I said the way turn and make have you move my close to media. Have you move my close to media. We all come in. That toner brand ambassador. Oh. Toner brand ambassador. Ash, toner skincare is doing magic on my body. They're doing a perfect job. Now see now don't leave them. More finish. I go flash now bikinis on the air. Now see how I get come on. Now be it can only be toner skincare. We don't talk too much. We don't talk too much. We do the magic. Yes, my people, now stay blessed. More prepare ourselves for Grandivers. It show my mother, my legit mother, that unique soul, the most transparent woman. Sam, me get no sweet soul. Me woman no sweet soul. Me get no get love soul. Me get no get pure heart like Grandivers. See no, mother, may God continue to bless you for me. May God keep you long. May God fight all your enemies them. All this Aijo, mommy, the way they no want change. They want to teach the young one they say now for the sleep duck. Be the way they feel make am for life. Time when you kick against sleeping with duck, they start fight you. When I see how Grandivers suffer, The mommy that they teach the parents and they teach with the young one they say find money by all means, even it means sleeping with duck. You go sleep with duck. Another one can't correct our channel say this thing no good because you want tell we the you they say this kind lifestyle no fine. Start carry police they pursue you. See, I mean cannot repent oh. They cannot part over the show if we follow them. The war so you go turn a Sodom and Gomorrah where God go destroy an asshole. The kind of part, the kind of lifestyle you guys are teaching us. If you can't even kick against this thing, they would self follow doing a lifestyle. You go whoa. Go one more and remember say generation they still there oh now get grand picking them oh. When I don't bomb picking them, when I picking them go bomb picking them oh. Where at least we need to make the world a better place for them to come and live in. If we follow on our own footstep, then now we start sleeping to dog them. We don't already teach other young one themselves will sleep to dog to a normal thing. And so they can continue. You the roti boy. If you can't see a gap picking tomorrow and end up sleeping and dog, how you go feel? No, tell me, mommy. Because here say one vlog about the thing, like say one correction will say me the world no say the kind thing a very bad thing. So that you can be humiliated, you will change. Yes, you be humiliated and you will change. You do want take another problem. If you can't see a grand picking, now you're picking and now you don't burn them. Even though they don't come inside where they for fuck among themselves because you don't give the other one picking for the other one. If you tomorrow now you see a grand picking and there and down now the tumor, how will you feel? No, like seriously, how will you feel? How will you feel? So at times the more beginning accept the correction, any way they come. Because as Grandivers have for say they clean the community, they make the community a better way. When the one use the poisonous mind and not the one instead paint na e black. But now wanna be the problem. It trying a little way for fix the community, but I don't want that. Any other I want that no. Any other I want that no. When I'm accept the change by pressure by force. By pressure by force. Hey my people, I don't start today now. Dog fuck, mama bingo. Hey, my people, I love you so much.